Wanna test out the latest versions of iOS before everyone else does? Here's how to install beta updates on your iPhone. Before we begin, make sure you have access to Wi-Fi. Also, make sure your iPhone is compatible with the version of iOS you're trying to install. Lastly, keep in mind that this is beta software and things can always go wrong. Keeping a backup is a bonus if something goes wrong. If you're installing a public beta, go to beta.apple.com to sign up for the Apple Beta software program. If you're a developer or want to install the developer beta, go to developer.apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can create one from the same page. Let's perform a backup first. Go to Settings, then tap your name at the top of the screen. Next, tap iCloud. Then, tap iCloud Backup. Then, tap Backup Now and wait for the backup to complete. Once your backup has completed, it's time to move on to the next step. Reopen Settings or go back to its main screen, then, tap on General, then, tap on Software Update. Tap on Beta Updates. Then, tap the type of beta, developer or public, that you would like to install. Then, tap the back button. When you see the screen to install the update, tap Update Now and enter your iPhone's passcode. Agree to the terms of service by tapping the Agree button in the bottom right-hand corner. Then, tap Agree again in the confirmation box. Now, wait for the update to finish installing. Once the update has completed, you can continue using your phone as normal. And that's a wrap. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos, subscribe and enable notifications. See you next time.